Welcome back to another Test Stuff install tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to install our new screen protector for the Model 3 and Model Y. Now, the Model 3 and Model Y share the same screens, so the installation process is going to be exactly the same. Now, there are three things that you're going to want to do prior to installing the screen protector. First, go ahead and roll up all windows and or shut any doors that you might have open. This is to reduce the chance that while you are installing the screen protector, a breeze, some wind comes through, picks up some dust, some dirt, blows it onto your screen, and then it gets stuck underneath the screen protector. Secondly, go ahead and disable your HVAC system. I've already done that here, and it's for the same reason that you want to roll up your windows and shut your doors, just to reduce the amount of air or wind coming into the cabin. And third, go into your vehicle settings, and under display, you will see screen clean mode. Go ahead and enable this. This makes it to where you can touch the screen all you want, and it won't end up playing music or doing something that you didn't mean for it to do. Upon opening up the package that our screen protector comes in, you're going to find three things. First is the alignment tool. This goes onto the screen and helps you align the actual screen protector. Second is going to be the screen protector. You're going to find it in some foam protective packaging. And third is going to be your toolkit slash cleaning kit. Putting aside the alignment tool and the screen protector, grab your tool slash cleaning kit. Inside, you're going to find three things. First is a cleaning wipe. Second is a microfiber cloth. And third are some dust removal stickers. Go ahead and open your cleaning wipe and begin cleaning the screen. The cleaning wipe is going to remove any residue or dirt that you might get on it, either from kids, dogs, just maybe having stuff on your fingers, as well as removing oils from your fingers. Now, go ahead and grab your microfiber cloth. Go ahead and clean the screen once more. Make sure you do not accidentally touch the screen as you're cleaning it. From here, if you see any dust particles on the screen, you can go ahead and grab the dust removal sticker and remove them. But there's also another use for this that we'll talk about after we have the screen protector itself on. Now go ahead and grab your alignment tool. You will see on one side it says up. Up needs to be facing towards you and at the top part of the screen. A lot of people think that these screens are perfectly rectangular. They're not. The top is more flat and the bottom is slightly rounded. Go ahead and put the alignment tool on. If one corner sticks up, it's completely fine. Now go ahead, grab your screen protector and remove it from its protective packaging. You will see here, there's a sticker that says back. This will go in the top left-hand corner. Some of ours will have an up arrow, some might not, but just know that the sticker is the top left. Now, in order to install this, what I recommend doing, I recommend holding it from the bottom right and peeling all the way back to where your fingers are still holding it over top of the film, but the rest of it is exposed. Go ahead and just line it up with the top. Once it's lined up, apply some pressure, and it will begin to adhere to the screen. You can go ahead, pull the rest of this off, rub right down the middle, and you can watch as it begins adhering. Be careful when removing it. You might have some bubbles. That is fine. I'll show you how to remove a decent sized bubble like this one right here. All you have to do is just take your fingernail, get slightly under the screen protector, and just lift until it meets the bubble. And you can push the bubble into it. And you can always just push bubbles out by just applying a little bit of force. It's perfectly aligned, and you're all set. Now, the other use case I mentioned for the dust removal stickers is in case you have a piece of dust along the corners. Dust tends to collect along the corners because that's where the crevice is for the screen, so dust tends to get up in there, and a lot of the dust you see will be toward the corners, the edges. So what you can do, peel off the big dust removal sticker, and with the sticky side facing up, you can lift the screen protector. So I'll just use this as an example right here. Lift the screen protector up just enough to where you can get to the dust. The dust, 9 times out of 10, will always stick to the screen protector. It won't stick to the screen because the screen protector has the adhesive on it. So with the sticky side up, just slide it down to wherever the dust may be, and then push, kind of rub it in, and then holding the screen protector, pull up. And the dust should come with it. That is how to install our new screen protector for the Model 3 and Model Y. If you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, you can click the link down below.